New York City, 11 p.m. Skyscrapers touching the sky, lights glowing everywhere, and a life that never slows down. In a small apartment in this massive city, a boy sat by the window, a book in his hands. But his mind was somewhere else. His name was Ryan Clark. Ryan was just 16, but his mindset was far beyond his age. His father worked as a security guard, 12-hour shifts, and still money was never enough. Ryan saw this every single day, and one day he made a promise to himself. I will change my family's life no matter what it takes. The next day at school, the teacher gave a tough math problem. The entire class was silent, but Ryan solved it in just 2 minutes. Everyone was shocked. That's when his friend Alex said, "Bro, you should teach us, we don't understand anything." That moment changed everything. A student was about to become a businessman. Ryan had a spark in his mind. If I can teach, I can earn from it too. That night, Ryan took a piece of paper and wrote, "Math Science Tutor $5 per hour." The next day, he posted it at school. Day 1, no one came. Day 2, only 1 student. Day 3, 2 students. Ryan didn't give up. He told himself, every big business starts like this. He taught every student with full dedication. Simple language, real-life examples. Slowly, his reputation started growing. 10 students, then 25, then 50. His house was getting crowded. His mom said, "We can't have so many kids here." Ryan went silent, but he didn't stop. He took all his savings and rented a small room. He named it Ryan Learning Center. First month loss, second month small profit, third month the center was full. Now Ryan faced his biggest challenge. School or business? School during the day, center in the evening, homework at night, less sleep, more stress. One day, he failed an exam. His confidence broke, but then his father said, "If you give up now, all your hard work will be wasted." Those words hit deep. Ryan made a bold move. He started a YouTube channel. At first, 0 views. No one watched, but he didn't quit. Every single day, he uploaded videos. Slowly, 100 views, 1,000 views, 10,000 views. Then one video went viral. Now Ryan wasn't just a tutor anymore. He became a brand. Online courses, apps, website. His business started growing fast. Investors began to notice him. By the time he reached college, Ryan's company was teaching lakhs of students, earning millions. One day, Ryan told his father to quit his job. Tears filled his father's eyes. Ryan stood at the same window where he once dreamed, but now, that dream had become reality. He smiled and said to himself, "I did it." Dream big, work even harder than your dreams, and never make excuses, because one day, you will write your own story.